Postman's been. Excellent. Let's see what's in there, shall we? Oh, brilliant. I'll show you in a minute what I've got.
A few moments later.
So this is what's just arrived. Tamiya Lunchbox. Not brand new, used but boxed. And obviously it didn't come like that. That box was upside down in the big box that I've just shown you. And what has turned up is this. There we go. Lunchbox car with a controller. So it just needs a battery. It's got brush DCS, brush motor, works apparently. So what I need to do is I need to get it up into the studio, get it checked out, get it cleaned, get it tested for running, because it looks like it's been run on the beach, and it does look like it's in need of a good clean and a bit of a refurbishment. And I'm not massively keen on the orange. It looks okay, but I want it either yellow or sandy colour, because I'm going to do some modifications to it. But there we go. So that's what's just turned up. So, Tamiya Lunchbox, 15 turn motor, 2200 milliamp hours battery, painted like the Duracell bunny. I've got some lights coming because there's a front headlamp missing from there, and on the front there I've got a piece of plastic that I'm going to mount a GoPro style action camera. As you can see, it's a 2005 model, and yeah, it was better than the pink that it was when I first bought it. So there we go. That's my Tamiya Lunchbox 2005 reissue with the Helion Rivos controller and Helios receiver inside.